In Saram's whisper, as per the ancient tradition, how to eat is well mentioned. Most of the people nowadays get digestive issue, and because of this digestive issue, their mind won't work properly. There are two brain. One is this brain, another is this brain. If this don't work, you can't eat properly. If this don't work, you won't think properly. These two are two brains. So to take care of this brain, you have a control of it, not this brain. You have to meditate another thing. But through the food, you can take care of this brain so that this can be taken care. So they clearly mention this to eat, you need to have Agni in your body. And as per the Saram's whisper, it is clearly mentioned that the right side is a sun's breath and left side is the moon breath. This is sun breath, this is the moon breath. That's called Agni. This is like cool. So this Agni breath we have to activate. So before you eat, check your breath. See that which nostril the breath is coming more. Because there are three kinds of breath mentioned in Saram's whisper. One is the left breath, which is a cool breath, the right breath, which is the Agni breath, and the center breath, which is called the Shukshmana or Sudmana breath, which is of no use for eating. So you need to Agni breath. So check your breath. You see which side you get, the flow of prana coming out of your nostrils when you exhale. If it is to the right side, it's a good time to eat. Enjoy your delicious food. You will get digested easily and no issue. But if you are the left breath, be careful. The left breath is good to drink water, but while you are eating, you should not drink water. Maybe half an hour before or at least 1 hour later, you can drink the water. So most important thing, you have to bring your breath to the right side. So how do you bring your breath to the right side when it is in the left side, which is the wrong side breath while you want to eat, because you need Agni. Because if you are eating while you are in the left breath, the food will become poison, and food upset, stomach pain, indigestion, loose motion, all that will come just because of the wrong breath you ate your food. Everyone is searching for one thing, a life that finally feels right. What if that answer was not in motivation, but in something you have been doing since birth? Your breath. Most books gives advice, but this one gives you a method to read your inner signals and reset your life from inside. In Vedhan Sri's Saram's whisper, you will be learning how different breath currents shapes your mood, decisions, relationship, even your direction of the life. It's simple, but it's practical, and it feels like someone clearly explained why you feel and what you feel and what to do next. People don't share books that are nice, but they share books that changed them quietly, deeply, and daily. If you want clarity, calm, and purpose, start with one breath. Get Vedhan Sri Saram's whisper today. DM Saram for book. So, bringing breath to the right. One is that there is a beautiful thing, opposite side, if you keep your hand, that is, I need to have a right breath, left side armpit below that, I can keep the hand and sit for a few seconds, take a long breath. Or another technique, this possibly this will take some 2-3 minutes to move this to the right breath. Another technique also is there, lean to your left side, keep the hand down, lean to your left side and relax. That's why what we used to do is we keep the hand like this and then we eat the food. When I press this joint, the elbow joint on my thigh, when I press my elbow joint on my thigh, then automatically breath will move to the right. That's how we eat like this. See, supporting here and we eat like this. That's most important thing. Or still it's not moving, you can use this technique where you lean on to your left side, so breath will move to the right. Otherwise, you don't want to keep the hand below the armpit, use some cloth ball, okay, keep it here for some time and take a long. Or you can also, if you have some pillow, soft pillow, even that you can keep it like this and you can. Or you have a divan mat where it's a cylindrical one, you can lean on that. And Rishis and Siddhas, they used this one. They keep like this and keep the hand like this to bring it to the right breath. So that's why whenever in the tapas, they keep this to bring the breath to the right side. So before you eat the food, it's good to keep, if you don't have this, don't worry. Use the towel, use the cloth, use the pillow, or just lean on to the left, or keep your hand below the armpit is more than enough. So what normally the rishis will do, they sit like this and they eat. While they keep this here, the breath will come to the right, the Agni, then you enjoy your delicious food. And how much ever the food you eat, it will completely digest and you will get a burp within 15 to 20 minutes. You all know that when the child eats, we'll tap little to get a burp. Only then we make the child to sleep. The same way, lying down portion before you go, you have to get a burp. But if you eat like this, it is 100% digested. And it really help you for the people of indigestion, bowel issue, IBS syndrome, acidity people, all that. If you eat the food like this, will really solve all your problem. Learn more about this technique of which breath, what to be used, when to be used, where to be used, how to change your breath and control every situation comes to you. Any problem comes to you, if you know how to handle the breath, you can handle it very easily by going through this practice we are given in our book called Saram Whisper, which will give you step by step a theory and a practical book for you to travel with me easily and become smarter and take control of everything around you. Click the link below to buy the book. Saram's Whisper, type it in the comment window. I'll be sending all the details to you. Thank you. This is Vedhan Sri, author of the book Saram's Whisper.